Hello, I'm Friani Marsyanda Susanto. I will explain about the question word. The first one is here. Meaning of question word category, type of question word, formula for using question word function. Next, meaning of question word. WH question is a group of words used to ask about something, such as asking about time, place, person, thing, reason, method, etc. Often referred to as a WH question because all words begin with WH, except how. Because the question word consists of 9 question words. This question word is usually called a W plus 1H. Question word category: what, where, why, when, which, who, whom, whose, how. Next, type of question word. What is question word that function to ask about something or something related to someone. Example, what is your name? What are you doing? Where is a question to find out information about the location or place, purpose and position of someone or something. Example, where is the bathroom? Where is your mom? Next, why is a question word that function as a search for reason or causes. This reason can be positive or negative to find out what happened. Example, why are you crying? Why did you come late? When is a question word to obtain information about a certain time or period in a conversation or situation, and helps us to understand the sequence or schedule of an event. Example, when does the movie start? When is your birthday? Which is a question word to ask for information about a particular choice from a number of available options, to help us in making a decision or to identify a specific object or person in a particular situation or context. Example, which color do you want? Which book are you reading right now? Who is a question word to ask about the identity of the person or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Example, who is he? Who sing the song? Whom is a question word that is used to ask about the person who is the object of sentence. Whom helps us determine the relationship between subject and object in a sentence. Example, whom did you see in the morning? Whom are you going to meet? Whose is a question word that is used to ask about ownership or to whom a certain object or thing belongs. Example, whose child is crying in the playground? Whose bag is lying on the table? How is a question word that is used to ask about the method or process by which an event or action is carried out. Example, how do you solve this math problem? How do you cook pasta? Next, formula for using question word. WH plus auxiliary verb. To, be, do, have plus subject plus main verb plus. WH mean modal, auxiliary, can, could, will, would, shall, should, might, must mean subject plus main verb plus. Negative. When asking negative WH question, we can use the auxiliary verb do when there is no other auxiliary verb or no modal verb. Positive interrogative sentence without auxiliary. Who want an ice cream? Which door open? Negative interrogative sentence with the auxiliary verb do. Who doesn't want an ice cream? Which door didn't open? Next, question word function. Asking for subject or asking the subject, a type of question that asks the subject door is used. There are formulas or patterns for making sentence so you can ask about a subject. Example, who opened the window? What happened last night? Asking for object or asking about an object, a type of question that focuses on asking about the object. The pattern is used. Example, whom will Modi help? What did you buy in the market yesterday? Embedded question. The formula or pattern is as follows. Subject plus verb plus question word plus subject plus verb plus object. Example, what inspired here to visit Rome? Who called my boss 5 minutes ago? Conclusion. An interrogative sentence is a sentence used with the aim of obtaining a reaction in the form of an answer from the person being asked or strengthening something that is questioner already knows. Question sentence function to ask for answer in the form of explanation, to dig up information for clarification or confirmation. Interrogative sentence have several types, namely clarification and confirmation interrogative sentence, rhetorical interrogative sentence, linguistic interrogative sentence, and ordinary interrogative sentence. That's all I can say. If there are any wrong words, please forgive me. Thank you.